If Microsoft Edge is showing error 400, don't worry. This is usually something simple, and in most cases you can fix it without reinstalling anything. In this video, I'll walk you through a few easy troubleshooting steps that often solve the issue fast. We'll start with opening Edge in a private window, then clear browsing data like cookies and cache, and finally, disable extensions that may be causing the problem. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, try opening Microsoft Edge in a private window. To do that, open Edge and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select New in Private Window. This opens a clean browsing session without using your regular saved cookies, cache, or session data. Now try visiting the same website again and see if the error still appears. If the page loads normally in InPrivate mode, that usually means the issue is related to stored browser data or a browser extension. If you're still seeing error 400, the next step is to clear your browsing data. This is one of the most effective fixes for browser errors because old cookies and cached files can become corrupted or outdated. To do this, click the three dots again in Microsoft Edge, then go to Settings. From there, look for Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find Clear Browsing Data, then click Choose what to clear. In the time range, select All Time so you remove all the affected data. Make sure cookies and other site data are selected, and also select cached images and files. These are the two most important items for fixing error 400. Once you've selected them, click Clear Now and give Edge a moment to finish. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it, then test the website again. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your extensions. Sometimes a browser extension can interfere with website requests and trigger a 400 error. To test this, go to the extensions page in Edge. You can do that by clicking the three dots, choosing extensions, and then selecting Manage Extensions. On that page, turn off all extensions one by one, or toggle them all off at once if you see the option. After disabling them, go back and try the website again. If the error disappears, one of your extensions is most likely the cause. At that point, you can turn the extensions back on one at a time to find the one creating the issue. So to quickly recap, first try the website in a private window, then clear cookies and cache from the browsing data menu, and finally disable all extensions from the extensions page. These three steps solve a lot of Microsoft Edge error 400 problems. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.